Watch this now! You will not believe what I used to get rid of varicose and spider veins. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to remove spider veins and varicose. We need these ingredients to make this recipe: 2 teaspoons of baby rub, 3 teaspoons of baby oil. I'm using Johnson's one. 2 teaspoons of alcohol, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. If you have a sensitive skin, put a pinch of it. Now mix all the ingredients very well. I will show you a demo on my hand. Put it on your varicose and spider veins, then cover it up with a plastic rub and leave it on for 2 hours, then wash it off by warm water. For best results, use this recipe once a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.